Our friends at Kickpi sent us this little package, their K7 development board. Let's take a look. First impressions are great. It's compact, yet packed with components. Starting from the front, two 1 Gigabit Ethernet ports, 3 USB 3.0 ports, 1 USB-C 3.0, a 3.5mm audio jack, an HDMI output, and a 12V DC power input. On the side, we have the power, reset, and programming buttons, the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth control chip and antennas, and a microSD card slot. Moving along, there's a 40-pin GPIO expansion header, along with connectors for an RDC battery, microphone, and cooling fan. Right in the center, we find an infrared controller, 3 MIPI connectors for cameras, an M.2 slot for a 4G 5G module, and a MIPI port for an LCD display. The board is powered by a Rockchip RK3576 chip, with support for up to 16 GB of RAM. On the underside, there's an M.2 socket for an NVMe SSD and a SIM card slot. The package includes a USB cable, a power adapter, and a programming cable with header pins. All right, let's hook it up and see what it can do. We'll connect a monitor, keyboard, and network, power it on, and here we go. It comes with Android 14 pre-installed, which already tells us a lot about the kind of use cases this board is optimized for. Navigation feels smooth and responsive. And video playback is handled with ease. If you're already familiar with Android, getting started with this board is going to be really straightforward. Taking one last look at the board, the Kickpi K7 is clearly a development platform built with specific applications in mind. Media players, media boxes, TV boxes, commercial displays, tablets, and industrial IoT devices. It's a well-equipped little board that hits the right balance between size and capability. We'll leave the official links in the video description so you can find out more about this product and where to get it from authorized distributors. If you found this useful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. If you're into development boards, single board computers, and that kind of thing, consider subscribing so you don't miss what's coming next. And if you have any questions about the K7 or you've worked with this board yourself, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.